Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is another day that we are going to be showing our fourth week of the craft kit collaboration. And this week we are to make banner pennants that had to be at least 3.5 by 5, no smaller. It could be bigger but no smaller, and it had to have 2 layers of paper. With either thick cardstock or decorative paper or something, chipboard or something, make it stiff. It got to be really good and substantial. So you had to have that, and you had to have 3 embellishments and a sentiment. Okay, so this is what I also had to punch the holes for it too, so they can hang it together, because I kind of put this together so they could be like a kit, where they can hang together and have their own little pretty banner in their, craft space or whatever. Okay, so this is what I came up with, and this is so cute. Let me see. I've already put the paper up that I used, but it was by Craftsman's. Let me see if I can pull it out again. And I've had this paper forever, and it's called Mint Pink. I love this paper, and it's got mint and pink and golds and yeah, so it's a pretty paper stack. So I've been using it for ever. I mean, I've made quite a few things that are, and I still got a lot of it left, so I guess the things I'm making out of it are small. So I use some 75 pound weight cardstock on the backing. I'm gonna stamp the back of this with my my craft logo, and I used cardstock, and I like this cardstock because it has a shiny, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a shiny finish to it. Well, it's not really shiny, it's kind of matte, but it's not like, like regular cardstock or decorative paper. So anyways, I used that. I cut the ribbon, and I also cut it at a V, and I burned the edges so they wouldn't unravel. I use this particular ribbon because I like the arrows. I tend to do that when I, this bottom part, then I did that, so that's why, that was the reason behind that. I used one of my collaborators dies. I used 2 of them. I used this one to cut this edge, and then I used this one right here to cut the top edges to match. Okay, and so my cards are 4 by 5.5, I believe. So mine's slightly bigger than required. But yeah, so we got my 3 embellishments. One is the ribbon, the flowers, and then I made this pretty butterfly out of gold shiny paper, vellum, and some bling, which I punched with one of my Martha Stewart punches. And I just layered that up, and I kind of folded it up so you can see it's layered, and I just popped that under there. And the sentiment is also from the the paper stack that I used, and so I cut those apart. It was 12 of them, so I'm thinking it's probably like, let's measure them. It's 3 by 2.25. So I put that on there, and I added the flowers in that. So that is so cute. I just love it. It is so pretty. And yeah, I punched the hole so they can hang it. Okay, so this is my kit. I'm going to show you all the pieces to it, and I went ahead and packaged this one. And I just used one of my embossing folders to emboss the same paper that I used for the backing on this. And the ribbon in a different color, flower, and I've added a leaf. Okay, so these are the pieces. We had to make enough for 3 banners. So when they make this kit and put it together, they can use the one I put together plus the 3 they're going to put together. And so I punched the holes. So all I gotta do is I punch the holes, just line the holes up. They should line up. And yeah, so this is the paper that I also cut. It didn't take a lot measuring that to make it fit, so that was easy. And this is the ribbon, and I went ahead and cut it. And what I did was, again, I went ahead and go ahead and pre-cut the end of a form, burned it, and then I put some tape on the back. So what I did was is that when I put this on here, I folded it behind the thing. I was going to cut it up. I said, nah, I'd rather fold it. So I folded it behind the, when I wrapped it on there. And they don't have to do it this way. They can put it across this way, you know, across the card, on the other side, from the top, whatever. It's, you know, how they want to put it together. It's just all coordinated, so when they hang it, it'll be nice and pretty. And so these are the flowers. And so I added, I mean, they don't have to put the flowers in here. They can put the flowers all, you know, one flower, I mean, all 3 flowers on one card, you know, one color, I mean. And how they want to do it, I gave them 6 extra flowers, 3 cards for each card. Or they can use less or more, whatever. Okay, and so these are the little sentiments that I cut from the paper pad and the butterflies that I made. So these are the butterflies, and I went ahead and put a pop dot on the back. So all you gotta do is, you know, pop that on, and there's the butterfly. It is so pretty. I gotta make me some of these. And then I picked out some of the best ones, some of the best sayings that were on the card. And this one says, let me see, your genuine self is your best self. So I thought that was cool. Oh, this one also says this and that, in case y'all didn't see it. I didn't mean to cover up the T, but it says this and that, but I'm pretty sure they can figure it out. And this one says, love, peace, love each other. Dang, I'm thinking that's peace. It says love each other. That's cute, all pink. And this one is life is a gift. So, yeah. So, this is a theme banner. And so that is all what comes in there. I'll put this back in here. And so this is what I came up for my partner. I hope she likes it, whoever they may be. And this is gonna be so cute. I like banners. I'm gonna think I'm gonna make me some more. I got 2 on my wall already. One that if y'all seen it in my craft share tour, I made eons ago with my Julian Nutting dolls, and they are the 7 deadly sins. And then the other one I did as like a group swap, and I had a lot of my participants send me a banner too, so I hung them all together. Okay, so that is my kit for this week. This was so fun. Oh god, this is so cute. So pretty. So I love this, the way it turned out, and I am enjoying this card, this craft kit collaboration. And I'm going to be doing another one. It's going to be with different things, so because this is turning out to be so much fun. So I plan to do another one of these craft kit collaborations, because like I said, this is just so neat. I mean, you know how you see somebody make something and then you say, oh, that is so pretty, I want to make that. Well, this is where you can see something that somebody's had and they made it, and they can just send you a kit. You can make it yourself. That's the way they did. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and package this up, and I got some pink and white washi. It's got polka dots on it too. I'm not really, I mean, I went with you know, the same the paper for the same you know, yeah, I can't talk, with the paper stack I used. And so because it was there was polka dots on the front of the banner, and then I said I'm gonna stamp this, so I'll do it later. And so there's that kit. And then see the polka dots there. Then I got a polka dot embossing folder. So I decided to stick with the theme. Polka dot washi paper. Haha. Alright, so this turned out so cute. Again, y'all check out the other ladies below that's participating. Their channels will be listed or linked, or yeah, their channel links will be listed below in the description box. So thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.